Today we're going to learn about the physics that goes behind flying a drone. Movement of the drone seems quite complicated, but in reality it's quite simple and intuitive. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. When a quadcopter's propellers spin, they push air downwards. Using Newton's third law, this represents the action. For Newton's third law to be true, there also must be an equal and opposite reaction. This reaction is an upward force pushing on the quadcopter. Once this force exceeds the force of gravity, pulling the quadcopter downward, the quadcopter begins to move up. Drones can move in 4 degrees of freedom, which means it can translate into 3 directions and rotation in one. The rotors of the quadcopter drone act like wings. They create lift by rotating at fast speeds, which pulls the air downward and pushes the quadcopter drone in the air. If the lift cancels out with the acting force of gravity, then the net force becomes zero and the quadcopter hovers in midair. In the picture given below, lift is defined as ascending of the drone. Force of gravity is the force that pulls it down. Thrust means moving forward, and drag is the resistance that the drone faces while moving forward. Drone flight setup. Two adjacent motors rotate in opposite directions and two opposite motors rotate in the same direction. For example, motor 1 and 3 in the picture rotate clockwise where motor 2 and 4 rotate counterclockwise. The reason behind this is that physics claims to be that stability of net force acting on a body should be zero. Thus, if all rotors were to rotate in the same direction, the result would be the net torque causing the complete quadcopter drone to rotate. Terminology. The terminology of the drone's movement is exactly the same as used when describing naval movements. I will use these terms to explain the motions of our drone. So roll means moving to the left or right with respect to the front of the drone. Pitch is moving the drone forward or backward. Yaw is pivoting or turning from the right or left. Takeoff. In order to take off the ground, you need a net upward force. The motors generate lift that is greater than the force of gravity, making the drone take off. Hovering. Understanding how drones hover is easy. First, motors create lift. Second, the lift should be equal to the force of gravity on the system. Therefore, the lift and force of gravity cancel out, which makes the quadcopter drone hover in midair. Roll. To roll to the left, the lift is increased on the motors to the right. The drone must also decrease the lift to the motors of the left. If you wish to roll to the right, you do the exact opposite. The lift is increased on the motors on the left, and the drone must also decrease the lift on the motors on the right. Pitch. To make the drone pitch forward, that means move towards you, the power applied to the motor's rear motor is increased. This generates forward net force, which makes the drone's nose pitch downwards. You also have to decrease power applied to the front motors to keep angular momentum conserved. The exact opposite is done if you want to make the drone pitch backwards or move away from you. Yaw. To make the drone yaw, rotate clockwise. You must increase the lift on the anti-clockwise moving motors. You also have to decrease the lift on the clockwise rotating motor. The reason behind this is to keep both the upward and downward net forces equal to zero. There is also an resulting anti-clockwise torque. The drone rotates clockwise to conserve the angular momentum. Computerized components. Each movement the drone makes is possible by changing the rotation rate of one or multiple motors. In order to change the rotational rate of one or more rotors, you will need a controller that can increase or decrease the voltage to each motor. Thus, you will need one controller per motor to move the drone as you desire. I hope you understood the basic physics that goes behind flying a drone. And this week we won't be uploading any assignments. We will be uploading tutorials on how to build your own drone in the extra resources tab. Thank you.